Drain horn unboxing. Do what?
Just got a 2-gallon air tank.
Little air compressor. Cute little guy. Alright. These will go up front. Might find us a spot on the frame for this guy. Let's get the mountain. Let's put this stuff on. Pop pins. Put your petcock in the bottom of your air tank. This will have to be drained often because of the heat that the compressor makes. So put your drain in here before you install it. We're also going to add the pressure switch and also a fitting, and then plug everything else. Okay, here's your pressure switch. It turns your compressor on and off. And right here we're going to put the gauge, because this is going to mount behind the grill, so you'll be able to look through the grill to see your air pressure. Oh, tighten that baby up. There's where she'll go. I got it in there. It's a tight fit. But you can mount it right to the bumper. Compressor mounted. There is nowhere to mount these. They are huge. We're gonna have to make an angle iron bracket come off of the fender right here.
That'd be kind of cool.
I think that'll work. They'll actually fit.
He got it for the RV. He got it.
Alright, we've got our horns mounted to the fender. There's a bracket right here that has a couple holes in it. We used a 1.5 by 1.5 by 1/8 angle iron and mounted right here. So she's solid. She'll move a little bit, but she's solid. This way we're blasting this direction, and the horns are up out of the weather. They'll be protected right here. It seems to work fine, and we'll try it out. Alright, this is for your air compressor. Main power wire, 30 amp fuse. That's going to go to the battery. For now, we're going to add a relay. That way it turns on and off with the key. That way if you had an air leak, you won't burn your air compressor up. But for right now, we're going directly to the battery. Your ground, which is your black wire, comes around, and right now we're coming over here and we go through the pressure switch. It turns off at 200 and on at 170, and then it comes back and we got it grounded up here to the chassis. Now we hooked in to the ground and the hop for the horn, so when he honks his regular horn on the steering wheel, it also runs the valve and honks the air horn. How would you like to hear it? Would you like to hear it right now? Hang on just a second. I like it.
Better like hold your ears, open your mouth. Okay.
Thanks for watching the video today. Hope you liked that horn. It was a bit loud. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Today, Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Amen, brother. Later. Open up.